Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to find unique values in Excel column. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have simple data set. So in this data I'm going to find the unique values in amount column. So simply select the entire column, just click on the D name of this column and you can simply select drag with the mouse also, and you can use the shortcut key also. Simply select the first cell and use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. After that, go to the home tab in styles group, click on the conditional formatting drop down arrow, then click on the highlights cells rules, then click on the duplicates values, and here the duplicate values dialog box is open. Just click on the arrow. There are two options, the duplicates and unique. So here I'm going to find the unique values in Excel. So select the unique and you can select the color also. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the color. You can see here the changes and click on OK, and that's it. Here you see only the unique values find here. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.